Today back to myth of NAS. We're going to talk some myth about the NAS and see some topics and some questions that you might have with yourself about the NAS and the public cloud services, security, and some other topics that we have for today. So first, let's see, you might ask yourself, for example, the NAS is too expensive and the public cloud is cheaper. Why should I go for the NAS? Well, the first things first, consider your needs for the storage and how much space do you actually need and whether you expect your volume to grow with that over time, as well as a security basis, what kind of information or data are you storing. And well, if your requirements are within, say, 100 gigabytes of storage, then the cloud service do provide quite flexible prices on that, and some of the cheapest from around $2 a month, and some others that may be around $10 a month, as well as the yearly offers of $25, and for that amount of storage, I could say is quite reasonable. But when it comes to larger volumes, like 2 terabytes for example, some of the cloud services providers are with an offer of above $20, maybe 25, 50 US dollars and so on, with a total annual cost of more than $250, which is more expensive than actually getting a 2 terabyte hard disk drive, on which with the QNAP NAS it would be much cheaper and more convenient on long-term basis if you think about it, and if you break down the yearly investment on an amortized plan, and you can clearly see the benefits of owning a NAS and not maybe go for the large data volume storage on the cloud. So the other topic I would say is too complicated to start from the installation to the operation. What do we mean by that? Like trying to set up the NAS and how to install it and everything. Well, just like any other tech company, QNAP NAS is very much custom oriented, and it provides easy solutions on their products. By that I mean that, take for an example a NAS like the TS453B, which is very easy to set it up, and by simply plugging in the network cable, turn on the NAS and download the QNAP QFinder Pro. The QNAP QFinder Pro will help you to install and perform the installation process following the wizard in very few simple steps. You just have to go, make the NAS ready, insert the hard disk in the, say, TS453B, download the QFinder Pro, and the installation process is very, very simple. And more so for that, also the QTS is the operating system for the QNAP NAS. It's very user friendly and is very easy to operate and integrate all your data in it. Why not just buy, for example, someone might ask, why not just buy a DAS instead of a NAS? It's about storing data, information, right? Well, storage is one of the basic features that the NAS provides, and but it can do much more than that, as it has very much software-oriented ideology, and the NAS, especially the QNAP NAS, has a very well operating system, as I mentioned, the QTS, and has access to several other applications like on file sharing, music, multimedia management, and it has its own very powerful Q search, the search engine, and many other features like you can have the virtual machine and third-party application integration with the NAS. So you can also utilize it for other services and entertainment as well. So the QNAP NAS has the ability to create your own private cloud for your data, and you can actually access it from anywhere you may be. You can access the data either from your PC, from your tablet, or from your smartphone. So it's not only about storing data, you can actually utilize and you can actually do more with the NAS. Therefore, we suggest getting a NAS. Thank you, everyone. So this is the first part on the myth of NAS, and I hope you got to get some insights on this, and I'll see you next time.